This is our story on our journey, starting from the moment you learn to speak, the moment you learn to have friends, the moment you learn to run, the moment you learn to make friends, and the moment you learn to cry. We are there with you all this time. We are so proud of the person you have become. Because we have witnessed your challenges and the celebration of your achievements. We know that you never lose sight because we have raised you to focus on your goals. To be independent, to be kind, to be strong, and to become a leader. With high hopes and big dreams, we believe that your small steps will become big achievements. This is the story of our 19 years. This is Aii, investing for the future. Our road to 2 decades. In 2024, we bring you language programs with more flexibility. Learn English. Challenge your Chinese language expertise. Develop skills in Thai. Master the art of business English and public speaking. Take proficiency tests for TOEIC and TOEFL. Become an educator through TESOL House. And study abroad with SOGO and ICS. Brace yourselves for more exciting surprises. The Window to the World charity event. Women's March. Aii Talks Season 2. The first National Teaching Conference. TEDx event. And the first in Cambodia, Mentor app by Mengly J Quach Education. This is Aii, Window to the World.